Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to script in Roblox Studio. So you'll need to open your Roblox Studio app and click on the base plate or any other template you want. We'll rather choose this one. So for this example, we're going to come over here to the Explorer where we have Workspace, right click on it, and then we're going to click on Insert Object. Then we're going to come over here and click on Script. If you don't find it, you can search for Script right here by writing Script and you'll find it. So now we have our script, and you do need to make sure that you're deleting any previous code you have right here. Now this is just a sample, which will always be when you have a new script, so you need to delete it. And then we're going to be putting our own script right here. So this is where you get to write in your script for Roblox, depending on what you want to do. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be pasting in this. This code will be in the description of this video, so you can try it out yourself. And as you can see, we have some explanation here. This part creates a new part, and this is a function to change the color. You're going to be seeing what color that does at the time which we'll be testing it. And here is a section where you repeatedly change the color. Now the local part equals instance.new. This creates a new part object. Now here on the third line of this code, this places the part into the game's workspace, making it visible. And then on the fourth line, which is part.anchored equals true, this prevents the part from falling. And then the part.position equals vector.new. With this parameters, this sets the part's position in the 3D world. So depending on the purpose of what you're trying to script or code, you'll need to make sure you're not making any mistakes. If not, your script will not run. So after putting in your code here, you're going to go back to your original page. This is the first tab here. You can see place 1 and you can come over here and click on play. As you can see, we just made a box that turns and changes the color, right? So with this script, we've been able to design a piece that changes to different colors. Remember to keep your code clean and write your comments and make it easy to read so you can easily continue in case you want to continue another time. So if this video was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.